Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone supports animated home screen effects and that iOS is up to date. This matters because older models lack live photo home screen features. Next, select the media. A live photo is native, while GIF or videos must be converted. If conversion is needed, open a trusted app and export a live photo, trimming to the ideal length. Once done, make sure the file plays smoothly and is saved in Photos before moving on. Now you apply the animated wallpaper. Go to Settings, choose Wallpaper, then choose New Wallpaper and pick the live photo you prepared. Position and scale the image so key content isn't obscured by icons. Enable perspective for subtle parallax if desired. Tap Set and choose Set Home Screen. On some iOS builds you may need lock screen instead and then swap. After setting, press or long press the home screen to confirm the movement and verify icon readability and battery impact. Finish by verifying system settings that can stop animations. Disable reduce motion and exit low power mode because both suppress dynamic wallpapers. If the live photo doesn't animate, restart the iPhone and resave the live photo to refresh permissions. When issues remain, recreate the live photo shorter, 1 to 3 seconds, or convert using a different app. Sometimes file format or frame rate prevents playback. If nothing works, temporarily switch to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.